Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram Reels cover. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to start creating our Instagram Reel so we can add its own thumbnail or to choose its cover. So now we can go to the Instagram app, we click on the plus and basically we need just to go to the Reels. So from the reels, we will be able to start creating our own reel. So I'm just going to choose from my pictures and click on next. And basically now we can click on edit cover. And from here you can see all the informations or everything that you can start adding to your uh, reel. And of course, you could have start editing, like adding some footage, downloading, mixing, and all the other stuff. So you can just go to edit and you can start adding some footage. So I'm just going to click on share and basically here we will find the hashtags and caption. Now I'm just going to click on add uh, edit cover. So as you can see here from you can either start choosing cover or the thumbnail from the footage and you can start searching for all the frame here. And you can also even crop the image. So basically you can start zoom in, zoom out, etc. Or you can simply add a totally separated image for your cover. So basically you can choose from your photos and I'm just going to choose this one and this one would be my cover even if it's not added in it's not included in my reel. So I'm just going to choose it. You can even crop it. I'm just going to zoom in, click OK, done. And now you can uh, share as it is. So thank you for watching and see you next time.